Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a great day so far. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to submit your Unit 3 Part B test. And this goes with any Part B test, but I wanted to refresh your memory. So what you're going to do, this is your home page. You're going to go to Content. There's several different ways to get to it, but that's how I'm going to do it for you guys. You go to Content and then go all the way to 3.08 unit test. Once you click on that, you can scroll back up and it's right here. Part 1, notice it says I have already done it, so I'm ready to move on. So I'm going to go on to Part B, click on that. This will pop up. So it gives you instructions right here what to do. You can click on the PDF or the doc. The doc is editable, but I would much rather see you print it off or just get a piece of notebook paper and answer the questions. But I am going to show you what it looks like. So this is your test. Okay, so you look here. You're going to make sure this is question number 1. You are going to answer A and you are going to answer B. So there's not going to be, it's not multiple choice where you select A or B. There are 2 separate answers for question number 1 that I'm looking for. And you have to show your work. Okay, so you have to do question number 1. Question number 2 also has 2 parts. And then question number 3 has 2 parts, okay? So once you finish and show your work on all 3 of these questions, you will either save it in your computer or you can take a picture with it on your phone. But the way you're going to do it once you have done this, for example, I'm going to save it just so I can upload it. So I can show you what I need to do. So I saved that. Once that is saved, okay, so after you're done with that, I'm going to, hold on, I gotta pop back out and then go back in. Hold on just a second. Like I said, so once you get to part B right here, this is what you'll see. Notice it says no submissions yet, drag and drop or upload. Okay, I would encourage you just to upload it because dragging and dropping sometimes has issues. So I would just click this button right here that says upload. You'll get a screen that shows where it's at. So you click on what document you're trying to upload or what picture, okay, and you can see it right here. Once that is done, you are not finished. You have to scroll down and click submit. You can upload all, like let's say you had to take 3 different pictures. You can upload all 3 of your assignments in one submission. So you do not have to submit 3 different times. I would rather you just do it in one submission. Okay. So look down here, it says confirmation email sent successfully, meaning it has been submitted successfully, and you click next and it says all done. Great job. You are finished with your test. Now I can go to tools and assignments to see if it was correctly submitted. So notice, excuse me, 3.08 teacher graded assignment unit test rational numbers part B says 1 submission. So that means I submitted it. Once I grade it for you, you will have things over here that says your score and your feedback, okay? So that's all you have to do for B. Make sure you are completing the test, okay? It's like I said, it's not multiple choice. Have a great day.